Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to create email templates on Mailchimp. First, log into your Mailchimp account and locate the Content section on the left-hand navigation panel. From there, select Email Templates and then click the Create Template button. You will then be presented with 3 distinct options to begin your design: pre-built layouts, professionally designed themes, or the advanced code your own option for full customization. This initial choice sets the foundation for your entire email design process. When selecting your template base, consider your design needs. Layouts are excellent for those who prefer a simple drag-and-drop approach, offering foundational structures like 1-column or 2-column designs. Themes provide a more polished starting point, complete with pre-selected fonts, colors, and images, ideal for quick, branded emails. For advanced users, Code Your Own gives you complete creative freedom to implement unique designs using custom HTML and CSS. To ensure your summary gets noticed, optimize it for search. Think about the keywords recruiters in your industry use and weave them naturally into your text. Don't just list responsibilities. Quantify your achievements with specific numbers and metrics whenever possible. For example, instead of managed projects, say managed over 20 projects, increasing efficiency by 15%. Use powerful action verbs to describe your contributions and impact. After perfecting your design, save your template with a memorable name. This allows you to reuse it for future campaigns, saving significant time and ensuring brand consistency. When you are ready to send an email, simply select your saved template from the Templates section during campaign creation. Always perform a final preview and send test emails to various addresses to catch any last-minute issues. This crucial step ensures your email looks flawless before it reaches your valuable subscribers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.